This is how I get rid of the winter dirt. In no time, you'll have your balcony ready for spring. All you need is a simple homemade mixture. Snow, melting, and the buildup of soot make your balcony require a deep cleaning after the winter months. Luckily, you don't need to use expensive detergents. A proven homemade method will help you effectively clean the tiles. First, remove all the furniture and items from the balcony. Then, sweep up the leaves and other debris with a brush with stiff bristles. Once the surface is ready, wash the tiles with water and dish soap. Next, prepare the homemade mixture. Mix baking soda with hydrogen peroxide and apply it to the stains, scrubbing with a sponge or brush. Finally, rinse with clean water. Before cleaning, test the mixture in an inconspicuous area. If the tiles react well to it, you can clean the entire surface. With this simple trick, your balcony will be ready for spring. This burns weeds down to the roots. It's the most effective method for weeds I've ever found. It contains no harmful ingredients and is cheap. When weeds show up in the cracks of your driveway or around the garage, you'll want to get rid of them fast. To do this, grab some lemons. Cut them in half. You'll need enough to get about 7 ounces of lemon juice. Citric acid destroys the structure of plant cells and effectively burns weeds all the way down to the roots. Pour the freshly squeezed juice into a tall container. Now add about 8 ounces of filtered water. This helps spread the solution more evenly and slightly dilutes its strength. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt penetrates deep into the soil and disrupts the water balance of weeds, causing them to dry out completely. Then add 1 tablespoon of liquid soap. Soap works as an emulsifier, helping the mix stick better to the leaves. Next ingredient, cinnamon. It has antifungal properties and also weakens plant growth at the root. Stir the mixture vigorously until everything is well combined. Pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it directly onto the weeds growing between paving stones. You'll get the best results on a hot or sunny day. Very soon, you'll notice the weeds begin to wilt and dry out. Simple, natural, and incredibly effective. You'll never have to wipe dust off your windowsill every day again. This simple homemade mixture will make it shine and stay clean for a long time. Dust and dirt often settle on windowsills, but here's how to fix it. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda works as a natural cleaner. It degreases, gently scrubs away dirt, and neutralizes odors. The next ingredient is something you surely have in your kitchen: dish soap. Add 1 teaspoon. It dissolves grease, grime, and dust, leaving the surface clean for longer. Now for natural shine and freshness. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze about 3 tablespoons of juice into the bowl. Lemon is antibacterial, removes limescale and residue, and leaves a beautiful shine. Mix everything well until you get a thick paste. Apply it to the dirty windowsill and rub it into every corner. This paste also works great on window frames, which often collect dust and turn dull. Finally, wipe the surface with a damp cloth. Your windowsills and frames will be shiny, fresh, and protected from dust for weeks. A natural, effective solution that costs almost nothing. This is the ultimate secret to a spotless couch. All stains and dirt vanish instantly. Furniture and cleaning product manufacturers would rather keep this trick hidden. Start by preparing a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It effectively eliminates bacteria and germs. Then add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, preferably white. Toothpaste not only whitens, but also cleans deeply, thanks to its mild abrasives and fluoride content that help remove stubborn stains. The next ingredient is fabric softener. Add 2 tablespoons. It not only gives the fabric a pleasant scent, but also softens the material and refreshes its texture, making your couch look like new. Finally, pour in some water and mix everything well until it forms a smooth solution. Soak a clean towel or cloth in the mixture, then wring it out well. It should be just slightly damp, not dripping wet. Place the cloth over the stained area of the couch and set an iron in the center. Wrap the cloth securely around the iron and gently press the surface. You won't need to dry anything. The heat from the iron dries the fabric as it cleans. Now, Your couch is clean, dry, fresh, and free of bacteria. Put your grill grate into a plastic bag. This trick will really save you a lot of time and hassle. Start by taking a dishwasher tablet and dropping it into a bowl. Pour in hot water so the tablet dissolves completely. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has cleaning, degreasing, and mild abrasive properties. Mix everything thoroughly. Let the solution cool down. Once it's cooled, place the grill grate into the plastic bag. Make sure the bag is big and sturdy enough. Pour the prepared mixture inside. Seal the bag tightly, securing all the ends to prevent any leaks. Set it on the counter and leave it for about an hour or longer, depending on how dirty it is. After that time, carefully open the bag and remove the grate. Scrub off any remaining residue with a regular sponge. Soaking it in the bag helps loosen burned-on grime without heavy scrubbing. The dishwasher tablet and baking soda work together to dissolve stubborn dirt and grease, making thorough cleaning easy. Drop them into your bathroom sink, but also toss a few of these cubes into your kitchen drain. Once you learn this trick, you'll stop buying expensive and harsh chemical cleaners. Take 2 limes and cut them in half. Make sure they're juicy. Then slice each half into smaller pieces and toss them into a blender. Add enough water to completely cover the lime pieces. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and blend everything thoroughly. Now strain the mixture using a fine sieve. Use a teaspoon to press out all the pulp. To the strained liquid, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap and about 100 milliliters of water. Mix it well. That's your cleaning solution. Grab an ice cube tray and pour the mixture into each compartment. Cover the tray with plastic wrap to protect the contents, and place it in the freezer. Once frozen, remove the plastic and pop out the cubes. And you're done. Just drop one of these cubes into the sink and run some water. Fresh, clean scents will rise from the drain. They also work great in the toilet. Perfect for freshening up your bathroom in seconds. No effort needed. I always bring a lemon to a barbecue. It saves me a lot of time and stress. The acid in lemons works wonders. I don't know a better or easier method than this lemon trick. I've never used a quicker solution. I'm sure you already have these items at home. Just regular salt and lemons. Take them with you to the grill. Cut the lemon in half evenly. That's one of our main ingredients. The second one is salt. Pour some salt onto a small plate. Grab a fork and head to your grill. Now stick the fork into the lemon and dip it into the salt. Press it down so the salt sticks well. When the grill is empty, place the lemon with salt on it. Start scrubbing the hot grate with it. The lemon acid combined with salt works like magic. Normally, cleaning the grill takes time and expensive products. I have to admit, I used to make that mistake and spent way too much. Plus, this way you know there are no harsh chemicals left where your meat goes. Just prepare your lemon ahead of time. It works on any grill. Look at the final result. It's amazing. Just a few seconds and the grill is sparkling.